An economic moat is a competitive advantage that helps a business to defend its market share and profitability. It is frequently a competitive advantage that is impossible to imitate or recreate, for example, brand name, patents, and thereby serves as an important obstacle to entry for other businesses. Basically, the greater and more durable a company's strategic edge is, the broader its economic moat. An organization with low operating costs in comparison to sales has a cost advantage over its competitors, and it can undercut them by reducing rates and holding competitors at bay. Another kind of economic moat is switching costs, which makes switching goods or labels very time-consuming and costly for customers. Companies file patent applications with governments to secure their know-how for a predetermined period of time, normally 20 years. Since investing billions on research and growth, pharmaceutical companies reap huge revenues from patented medicines. The network effect will strengthen a company's economic moat by increasing the value of its goods as more customers use them. Amazon and eBay are popular with customers thanks to the vast number of users purchasing and selling goods on their websites.